Hello there guys, so we're going to continue our beach bar walks. This time we're going to start in Quarteira at BJ's Oceanside. We're going to walk all the way to Vale de Lobo and check the beach bars out. Now normally I end with a beer. It's Wednesday the 23rd of April, it's about 2 p.m. It's absolutely roasting, 24-25 degrees. This was definitely calling. I'll just show you the view from BJ's.
Hi. What can I do for you?
Sunbeds are quite busy. Beautiful setting. Right through. I'll show you the dining terrace. Got Ricardo, the manager there. How nice is that, guys? Does it come better location than that? Absolutely stunning. And there's Quarteira in the background. I'll show you from the outside. That's the terrace that we've just been on. Nice chill out music in the background. Plenty of sunbeds. So if you want to know where this place is, guys, if you're coming from Almansil, you pass Lidl, it's the next roundabout, do a left. It doesn't actually say the sign for the restaurant, it says Almajan Beach. But that's the only way to get to it by car. The only other way is to walk along the beach. That's exactly what we're going to do. Come on, guys. Okay, so we're off on our walk with BJ's behind us. And I don't know if you remember last time when I walked from Quinta del Lago to Vale de Lobo. It was a hot day. I got caught out because we've had bad weather. I had no hat, no sunglasses. Got burnt to cinders, so come well prepared this time, guys. So with BJ's in the background there, first place I've come to, about 400 metres away. Looks like there's another beach bar under construction. Another great location. Now I've never walked this way before. I don't know if I'm supposed to walk on the beach or this path does lead you to Vale de Lobo. But we're about to find out. Well, I really don't know if I should be on this path. Got the woodlands to the left of me and the beach to the right. Hopefully I can make it. Otherwise I'm gonna have to do a kamikaze jump down onto the beach. Well, I didn't have to walk too far before I found another beach bar. Don't know what the name of this one is. Let's check it out. Tempura Beach Bar. That's a nice view. This one's not as busy as BJ's. Looks beautiful. Let's get on to the next one. Looks like the bridge from the beach bar is broke. So that's to jump over the fence, drop down on the beach, because I don't think there's any other way of getting to where I want to go. But it's just miles and miles of glorious beaches. If you like it nice and quiet, this is the place to come, guys. About halfway down, It looks like there's a golf course backing onto the beach. What are the naming them golf courses that back onto the beach? There's a certain name for them. Can't think what it is. If you know what it is, guys, then drop a message in the comments below. Just seen the beach buggies, not the beach buggies, the golf buggies passing in the background there. Don't know if you can pick it up on camera. Seems in the middle of nowhere, that. Gotta stride over these. Oh. Try not to get my shoes wet. There's something there not too far away now, maybe 400 metres. Well, that's crazy. I'm stood on the beach and they're ready to tee off. Let's see what he's like. Looks like it's pretty decent. I haven't got my glasses on, so I don't know where the ball went, but it sounded a good shot. Doesn't look like we've got too far to go to the next bar. These sand-coloured rocks are beautiful. And in the background there, I don't know if it's just a random beach bar or we've come to the main part of Vale de Lobo. Has been a bit of a trek, that, guys. Heart's ticking way faster than it normally does. There are warning signs that the rocks could collapse at any time, so it's not recommended getting too close to them. I'll soon be on the concrete there. Yeah, it looks like the main part of Vale de Lobo. Plenty of people on the beach, even people in the sea. Well, if you are coming over here in the next couple of weeks, guys, you'll be very pleased that the bad weather is gone. It is no more. So as you get off the beach, there's loads of showers, so you can wash your feet and pop into restaurants. First one we come is Sandbanks. Let's pop through. I've actually had breakfast in here, actually. Friend's birthday party. We went for breakfast. It's very nice fish. Looks like robalo. You okay, Butad? Yeah, not too many people. Look at the view they got from there. Absolutely stunning. So there's about 8 to 10 restaurants in a cluster in the main area of Vale de Lobo. There's another beach bar there. There's a tuk-tuk. They have regular live music at most of these bars. I'll show you around the complex. Sunset Sundays. Yeah, apparently do a good deal on Sunday. You okay? With live music. And cheap drinks, not too cheap, but cheaper than you'd normally pay. Got the Well restaurant over there. You can hear a lot of German accents. I don't know if it's still the English holiday season, but it's definitely the German still. Join us for poolside cocktails. Sounds nice. It also looks beautiful. Stunning views. I actually have been here a couple of times, but many years ago, and it wasn't walking on the beach. We actually got a lift here. I think there's a Mexican, Italian. Nice roof terrace there. Nice chill out music. El Tacot. That looks like it's got a lovely roof terrace there. Let me just well, I can't pop up. They've got the bar over there. I was going to just see what it looked like up there. Aloha, Vale de Lobo. I don't know what cuisine that is. Barlumi. And then if you have got kids, you've got the kids kangaroo club there. So you could drop them off for a couple of hours while you go and have lunch. Into Vale de Lobo. But nearly tripped then. Well, that's nice, isn't it? Resort control. Yeah, it's not too busy at the moment, but I do know it's rocking in the summer. I'm going to drop back down to the beach because there's another bar that I've not been to. I don't know if you remember when I ended the Quinta del Lago tour. I think I ended at Julia's bar, and I said, oh, the next one's way too far because I was knackered. This one's not too far from here. And it's one of our viewers that commented on the video, Nick Mayer, his name. He said he comes here quite regular at Christmas time, and that's his favourite bar. So we're going to go and check it out. Some beautiful houses here, guys. I don't think these are Airbnb. Beautiful pools right next to the beach. I think I'll try and walk up the path. Yeah, so while I'm waffling on, guys, having a walk, check out Nick Mayer's channel. It's fantastic. It's not a travel channel. It's all about life in your late 50s and retirement. And everything he says, like, that's happened to Sue. Yeah, that's us. That's happened to us. Everything he says is spot on. I'll leave a link in the description below. Look at that. Another beautiful house with a pool. Well, I've been diverted back onto the beach. It was cordoned off, the footpath. It was accessible at one point. Maybe it's just this little part that you can't get to. So I've got another bit of a trek. And the bad news for me is I've got to walk all the way back. There's a bit of activity up ahead. Looks like we're approaching a bar. I'm hoping it is Maria's bar. Now I'm not too sure whether it comes under Vale de can't even speak. Vale de Lobo or Quinta del Lago. But I don't really care. I'm just going to get a drink because I'm absolutely roasting. So they've got a little beach on the front, and the main bar is right at the back of them. So plenty of people about. Yep, it's called Maria's. Never been here before, but I do believe if you have live music on at weekends, looks like a beautiful roof terrace. I can hear music rocking in the background there. I might have to be a little bit careful because of the copyright restrictions. Let's pop in. But there is a DJ on, so I can't get too close. But the downstairs terrace is rocking. Let's nip up and see what that's like. There's the bar from the roof terrace. Got a lovely seating area. To speak a bit up, guys. How nice is that, guys? Let's check out the bit here at Maria's. Well, Nick, What do you think about this, guys? You said I'm on your turf. Well, I'm back on it again. And I'm having one of these. Don't worry, only 8 months before Christmas before you come again. Hope I've not made you well, Gel. Thanks for the heads up, mate. Looks a great place. Well, if I've not bored the pants off you for this walk-in tour, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.